fashion related video, and I love clothing, I love fashion, but I'm a very simple kind of fashion gal. And Fashom reached out to me, which is amazing. If you guys don't know, Fashom is an online shopping experience, and I'm going to explain a little bit about this, and I'm going to show you guys the items that they have sent me. So I'm just going to read you guys how this works. And it says, fill out your style profile and submit a styling request. Tell us about your style, size, and price preference, and then submit your request to be styled. You'll hear back from us within 2 to 3 business days. I did take advantage of the stylist because I'm in between sizes. So I'm not a small because smalls are too tight on me sometimes. And then medium sizes are like too large for me a lot of the time, so I'm literally right in between sizes, which is so frustrating. But I was able to tell her what my style kind of is. Like, I like oversized shirts, I love to tuck them into high-waisted jeans. I just love that style. So I was able to talk to her and explain that to her. And your first stylist meeting is free. You don't have to pay for it, which I thought was amazing. Next, they'll ship you your box, and shipping is free. So what happens is you'll receive your box, or usually online actually, I should say. After you speak to your stylist, you have about 2 to 3 days, and then they'll send you about 7 to 9 articles of clothing online, and you look through them and you get to pick 5 out that you really like. If you don't like any of them, that's totally okay. What you do is you tell them, hey, I'm not really feeling any of these, can you pick me out some new ones? And your stylist will send you a whole new wardrobe, and then you just pick your 5. Then your box ships to you. Then when you receive it, you can try on the items, you can decide if you want to keep it or not keep it, depending on how you feel if you don't like it. And then you can ship them back. So it doesn't cost anything to ship back the items that you don't like. The other really nice thing about Fashom is it's not subscription based. So you're not stuck in a subscription. Like, you only need it as needed. And they actually asked me if I had anything fun coming up, and I said, yes, I'm going to New York City, which I will be vlogging for you guys, and I'm very excited. There might be one item I think that I might actually send back, but the rest I'm going to keep. But that's the fun part, is you can send stuff back if you don't actually like it, which I thought was awesome. This is the box that it will come in, which I kind of already showed you. It's just a really pretty light purple Fashom. So the very first item is a pair of pants. And I wanted a high-waisted, more dressy styled pants, but still comfortable. So this is what they look like. I'm going to insert footage now of me trying them on. These are the original Premier Point size 6, and they are so comfortable and so stretchy. So to me, they look business-like, but they're so cozy and comfortable. So these I am actually going to keep. And I liked how the backs did actually, or the back of the pants did actually have pockets. I was a little disappointed. You guys know when they put fake pockets in the front and then you don't have anything to put anything in. But overall, I really liked how comfortable they were for a dressier styled looking pants. And these are a very dark gray. So I loved those. Here is the next item. And this is what it looks like. It is a cream, almost like a thermal material floral, and I really liked it. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is that bunching in the front, which I really think is cute. It kind of has like that tied style. If I'm turning like towards the side, it looks a little bit bulky on me. Because this is a size medium, I probably could have gone to a small. However, in the back, I love the way it fits. I don't like when shirts in the back kind of like stick out, and this is very forming or form-fitting to my butt, but still oversized where I'm a little bit comfortable. So I haven't decided if I was going to send anything back in this box. It would probably be this long sleeve shirt. But overall, I like it. I think it'd be a really pretty item for fall or for spring. Ooh, this next item, I wasn't sure about it at first, and I love it now. And it is a long cardigan that looks like this. It's multicolored, kind of stripy. So I'm going to insert footage now. I loved that it had the pockets. This is a very thin cardigan, something that I would honestly wear maybe around the house, or I would wear it out and about, like going grocery shopping in the spring. It has a very light feel to it, and it's soft. I just loved the splash of pink though. I thought that it added a little extra to it because it's a very neutral kind of cardigan. Definitely keeping that. Oh, moving on to the shirt that I'm actually wearing now. I loved it so much. It says "Hello Beautiful" in a very like, it's definitely stitched. I'm going to insert footage now. You'll see that I did struggle with having it on without it being tucked in. It was very oversized for me, a little too flowy for my liking. However, when I did talk to my stylist, I told her that I liked oversized flowy things, which is why she picked this out for me. However, I thought of the idea of tucking it into a high-waisted jeans and kind of pulling it out for that baggy look, and it's perfect. I love it so much. And the feeling, I've never honestly felt clothing like this material before. It's very, very stretchy, yet like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it is so comfortable. That's one thing I will say about all of these clothes. They're very stretchy and comfortable, which is what I love. And the very last item is my favorite, and this is the item that they sent me for going away to New York. It is a very thick, heavy-ish, without looking too heavy, very warm, long length cardigan. And guys, it is beautiful, and it looks like this. I'll do a really close-up so you guys can kind of see the material that it is. Kind of has like that fluffy little, like the black bits stick out a little bit. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It fits me perfectly. I love the length. It's definitely longer than normal. And I actually decided to throw it over this Hello Beautiful shirt, which I actually might wear this whole outfit in New York. And then what I really liked is it kind of had that little clasp up at the top if you wanted to use it to like fasten the top of the shirt, or you could leave it loose and flowy. And the pockets in this are massive. They go pretty deep. Perfect for a phone. It might be slouchy if you put your heavy phone in there, but I still thought it was really cute. I just loved how heavy and warm it is. I actually tried it on in front of my mom the other day outside on the lanai. It was cold. It was like 50 degrees outside, and it felt warm. Like, I literally felt warm in this, which I thought was amazing. So that is everything in this fashion box. There is one other detail I want to go through with you guys. If you do decide to use my code and order this box and get $10 off your first box, there is a 25% discount on your order for keeping 3 pieces and 30% for keeping all 5. Now, I am probably going to send back 1 item. And then the other thing that I really liked is how body positive they are towards women, and they just work with you on your sizes and shapes, and they understand that, you know, for me, I like casual, comfortable, stretchy, and they really took that into consideration, which I thought was really, really nice. If you do order this box, $1 does go towards animal rescue in New York City, which I thought was so wonderful. If we can help animals around the world, then why not? Let's do it. Thank you so much, Fashom, for reaching out to me, and thank you guys for watching. If you do decide to get this box, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how your styling appointment goes. Remember that the first one is free, so let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye!